Morning, Miss.
Morning.
Today we are going to have evaluation from homework.
Oke, termasuk pertama
Kipas ya.
yang termasuk warga sekolah adalah kepala sekolah. Tugas utama seorang siswa adalah belajar. Orang yang memimpin sekolah adalah kepala sekolah. Salah satu tugas guru adalah mendidik dan mengajar siswa. Berikut yang termasuk sikap tanggung jawab adalah bersikap disiplin. Selanjutnya, tugas utama siswa di sekolah adalah belajar. Pemimpin di sekolah adalah kepala sekolah. Tempat meminjam buku di sekolah adalah perpustakaan. Orang yang bertugas mengajar dan guru bertugas mengajar dan membimbing siswa. Sikap datang tepat waktu disebut disiplin. Di sekolah ada beberapa siswa yang tidak melaksanakan tugas piket sehingga menjadi kotor. Mengapa hal tersebut bisa terjadi dan apa solusi yang dapat dilakukan agar semua siswa bertanggung jawab? Oke, jadi mengapa hal tersebut bisa terjadi? Hal tersebut bisa terjadi karena beberapa siswa tersebut tidak melaksanakan tugasnya dengan baik, lalai akan kewajibannya, tugasnya sehingga kelas menjadi kotor dan sikap mereka itu merupakan sikap yang tidak baik dan tidak bertanggung jawab, lalu tidak disiplin. Apa solusi yang dapat dilakukan agar semua siswa bertanggung jawab? Solusi yang dapat dilakukan agar siswa dapat bertanggung jawab, guru bisa menjelaskan tentang apa saja tugas-tugas siswa di sekolah beserta tanggung jawabnya. Jadi siswa juga bertugas dan bertanggung jawab menjaga kebersihan sekolah dan kelas, sehingga dengan memberikan nasihat atau berupa bimbingan kepada siswa, diharapkan siswa dapat bertanggung jawab atas tugas yang diembannya di sekolah. Ketika guru tidak hadir di kelas, suasana kelas menjadi ribut dan tidak terkendali. Menurutmu mengapa siswa tidak tertib? Siswa tersebut tidak tertib karena siswa tidak melaksanakan tugasnya, tidak bertanggung jawab, tidak disiplin, tidak mau menjalankan tugas dengan sebaik-baiknya. Lalu bagaimana cara memperbaiki sikap disiplin siswa? Siswa dapat memperbaiki sikap disiplinnya dengan mencontoh guru bisa, lalu bisa mengikuti sikap siswa yang baik, yang mengikuti peraturan dan bertanggung jawab dengan melihat dan mencontoh. Lalu siswa dapat ikut memperbaiki diri menjadi anak yang lebih disiplin dan bertanggung jawab. Semua warga sekolah memiliki peran masing-masing dalam kegiatan belajar mengajar. Apa yang akan terjadi jika salah satu warga sekolah tidak menjalankan tugasnya? Jadi jika salah satu warga sekolah tidak menjalankan tugasnya, maka proses belajar mengajar di sekolah akan terganggu. Jika salah satu peran dari salah satu anggota warga sekolah tidak dijalankan. Jadi mengapa kerjasama antar warga sekolah itu penting? Ya, kerjasama antar warga sekolah itu penting. Dengan bekerja sama, jadi nanti akan tercipta perdamaian, lalu sikap kekeluargaan, lalu akan menimbulkan gotong royong, lalu setelah hal tersebut bisa membuat pekerjaan akan lebih cepat dikerjakan, lalu siswa juga dalam kerjasama setiap warga sekolah juga belajar bertanggung jawab atas tugas dan kewajibannya di sekolah. Nomor 5, guru tidak hanya mengajar.
Can I make it a bit bigger, Miss? Like the font. Okay, nah.
Ya, ready?
Ya.
Guru tidak hanya mengajar tapi juga menjadi teladan bagi siswa. Mengapa guru harus menjadi contoh yang baik? Ya, guru harus menjadi contoh yang baik karena guru di sekolah adalah teladan bagi siswa. Guru itu adalah pendidik yang harus memberikan contoh kepada siswa. Siswa akan mencontoh perilaku dan teladan dari guru, maka guru harus menjadi contoh yang baik bagi muridnya. Apa akibatnya jika guru tidak memberi contoh yang baik? Jika guru tidak memberikan contoh yang baik, akibatnya siswa tersebut akan mengikuti perbuatan atau tingkah laku guru yang buruk tersebut. Jadi akibatnya siswa tersebut menjadi tidak bertanggung jawab, contohnya tidak tahu kewajibannya, menjadi tidak disiplin, dan akan mengakibatkan banyak kerugian lain yang akan terima oleh siswa tersebut jika dia mengikuti guru yang tidak memberikan contoh yang baik buat dirinya.
Okay, health education, Miss.
Health education. What is it? Computer. Oh, ada tuh.
There is.
Oh,
Below
this one too.
math. After math. Here.
This is math, right?
You sure?
What is it? Can you English house first? This is
Okay.
okay. How do miss? Okay, what will happen if someone eats the fruits mentioned from the text from the book list? The answer is C. They will be poisoned. Number 2. Why must children be very careful with the plants like mimosa or periwinkles? Because the plants are poisonous but look attractive. Number 3. What is a poisonous tropical tree with dangerous fruit? This is pong. Number C. Number 4. What is a sensitive plant that glows when touched? This is mimosa. What is a small flowering plant with colorful petals? This is periwinkles. Number 5B. Why do you think plants warn people not to eat them? And then what might happen if people ignore the warning? So the plants warns to save the people because the plants is not edible. They are poisonous. So if people ignore the warning, so they will they will be sick and or poisoned.
I mean, like, how plants can warn people?
Uh,
Does
from,
plant?
from the books, the plants talk each other.
Oh.
They looks like a human that talk each other. So they communicate each other. How can they survive? And then because they are poisonous and they have to warn people not to touch them. Number 2, what should children do when they see beautiful plant? They don't know on what makes mimosa dangerous. So children, when they see a beautiful plant, they don't know. They have to notice the plants, and they may not touch it, eat it, or they can ask for adults about the information about the plants. So what makes mimosa dangerous? So mimosa will be dangerous because it has a poisonous seed that is dangerous when you eat it. And after that, number 3, why do you think Pong say their fruits will grow into baby trees? And I think Pong says their fruits will grow into babies because the seeds of this Pong will start to grow, become a new plant. So it helps this baby. These seeds will have to do reproductions for this Pong. So what will happen to Pong if someone pluck its fruit? Yes, Pong will once start to reproduce again. It will lose its seed because the fruit is also the fruit also contains the seed that is help these plants to reproduce, or we can say to help them to get the new plant again. What would you say to a friend who wants to eat the unknown fruits from a plant? So if a friend wants to eat an unknown fruit from a plant, so I would warn him or her not to eat it first. They can check first whether the plant is poisonous or not. They can also check from looking at the book or captures it. After that, they can ask from ChatGPT or AI or something else to get information about the plants and then whether it is poisonous or not. And then what are the symptoms if someone is poisonous? So there are many symptoms for someone that is poisonous. Two of them is like they will feel very hard as not. It will be very pain in the stomach, and they also will vomit. Number 5, why do you think the plants look attractive even though they are dangerous? So the plants look attractive even though they are dangerous. This is the way their way to trick people. Okay, to look like beautiful, attractive, and nice to see. And they also use it to trick people and then to attract their insects to come to help them to do the reproductions. And how can you make sure that all the flowers in your garden are safe or not poisonous? Yes, if I'm not sure that the plant is safe or not, so I have to ask the adult first, what plant is it, and after that I also may not touch it, plant it, even eat it. So it will be very harmful if I don't know what is it, but I do some things that can make myself dangerous or harm.
Okay, next. English.
Okay, for English number 1, we didn't play football yesterday because it was raining. Number 2, did you visit Eiffel Tower last week when you went to Paris? Number 3, I didn't eat ramen for my breakfast when I had my holiday in Japan. Number 4, main city of a country is called capital. Number 5, people who are part of your family, such as parents, siblings, is called relatives. Number 1, if you could plan your dream holiday, what activities would you choose? Okay, so if I have dream holiday, I would like to go to the beach and then go hiking and then I look for or visit some interesting or fun places. And why would they make your holiday special? So the activities makes my holiday special and fun because I can do a lot of fun things there, such as take a pictures to take a pictures to give me a nice memory about that, and after that it helped me relax and then enjoy my holiday and many things. Number 2, yesterday Lina didn't go to school because she was sick. What question can you ask her to find out why she stayed at home? So the questions that I ask, if I can make questions like why did Lina not go to school? And after that, write at least the question using it or the which word. So this answer will vary. So for example, like, did Lina go to school yesterday, or did Lina was Lina sick yesterday? And then make question with the which word. We can ask why did Lina go to hospital? So like this. Number 3, why do you think someone wants to visit Spain? Okay, there are many reasons someone wants to visit Spain. So some of the reasons, for example, that they want to visit some interesting places there, like from the beach, the mountains, and Barcelona as well. And then if you could choose one place in Spain to visit, which one would you choose and why? So if I have time to visit Spain, so I would like to choose Barcelona because it's by the sea, and it's an interesting place and nice place to visit, and it will help me to help me a good memory about that. So next, yesterday Lina planned to go to the beach, but it rained all day. So write a negative sentence to explain why she did not do it. So
What she didn't do.
what she didn't do. Yes, Lina didn't go to the beach. This is the negative sentence. Okay, and why do we put the above of time in the sentence? So we put the above of time in the sentence yesterday here to emphasize the time. So this is specific time that we use to say the specific time that we use, and it makes the time clear. Now, number 5, Lucas travels to ancient Egypt using a time machine last month. And he looks the pyramid, but only few people. He didn't enjoy his trip. He brings a big hat with him. So answer the question based on the story above. underline the mistake and understand the mistake and rewrite the correct answer. So the mistake are, this is travels, and then looks, and after that brings. That's the mistake, and we can change it. Travels become traveled, and then look become look, and after that brings become broke. So the words are wrong because these are the present verbs. This story happens in the past, so it means that this is simple past tense. So the verb should be in past tense verb.
Computer.
Okay, computer. A command that gives instructions to a computer system is called a command. A command that displays text on screen is called variable. And then a design that is repeat in regular way, this is called pattern. Pattern number 4, which command is used to repeat a set of instruction is in FMS logo. This is repeat B. What will happen if we choose a set screen color command after drawing shapes? The shape will disappear. See. You want to draw a square in FMS logo, but instead of writing the same command 4 times, you decide to simplify your code and write a simple FMS logo command using repeat to draw the square. So students can answer repeat, and after that FD, maybe for examples like 80, and after that RT is 90, and then close bracket. Explain why using the repeat command is better than writing the same command many times. Yes, using the repeat command is better than writing the same command many times, so it is easier to understand and the instructions. It also reduces the mistake, and it helps us faster to complete the question. You create a drawing of FMS logo, then you change the screen color using the set screen color, and suddenly your drawing disappear. Why did your drawing disappear? This drawing disappear because you input the wrong actions here. So this drawing disappears because you set the screen color first. So when you want to, you did the screen color at the end. So to make your drawing appear, so you have to set the screen color first, and after that you can do the comment. And then B, what should you do to prevent this problem in the future? Yes, you have to first set the screen first, the background of the screen. After that, you can draw in FMS logo. You and your classmate are working together to create a honeycomb pattern using FMS logo. So why is it helpful to work with others when creating problems? So it is helpful to work with others when creating problems because by working with others help us give us many ideas about sharing the ideas. We can also solve the problem together. It also help us to finish the task faster. So how can the repeat command help you repeat the patterns like honeycomb? So by repeat the commands help me create pattern like honeycomb, because these repeat commands will help to repeat the patterns for multiple times. So it is easier and faster by using this repeat command because the patterns are simple. So just use this repeat comments and it will multiply our comments for several times. A student writes the following FMS logo program like RT6, FD60, RT60, and the last worksheet will be produced and explain your reason and how to modify it to create a honeycomb pattern. So the instruction is repeat 6. So 6 means the sides of the shape. So this is the hexagon. So the shape is hexagon. Explain your reasons. Because these are hexagon because hexagon has 6 sides. And after that, how to modify, or we can say that 6 plus times 6 this times 60, so it means that 263 degrees. And then this 6 sides is where the hexagon has 6 sides. And then how to modify it to create a honeycomb. Okay, they can use this repeat. So they can input this variable, so they can repeat 6, and then they can use the forward, and this forward FD, it can be 6, and then RT, they can use 62. So it will help to modify honeycomb. A student program shows a blank screen because set screen color is placed at the end. So explain why is it happen and how to fix it. Yes, students program. Why is common is other important. Okay, so this set screen color should be done in the first. So after that we can draw the pattern. If we draw the pattern first, and after that we set the color of the background, so the shape that we have made will disappear. So the instruction must be clear. We have to set the skin color first, and after that we can draw with the pattern. So why is common order is important? Yes, the right common order will give the right input. So the common order is very important to know the result will be good too, or the input will be good.
Okay, next. Open the book, Miss. Allocation.
Education.
That's alright.
Yeah.
I have opened it actually. Just open it again. The WhatsApp. Page 35. 34 and 35, yeah. About Mr. Pong Pong. What is it about? So just assume you are in the class and then you explain to the students how is your way, Miss.
Okay, this page is continued from the previous page, the previous week. This is about the poisonous plant. Last week we have learned two of the poisonous plant. They are oleander, okay, and this oleander and this oleander and Dunkin. Now we go to the next. This is also called as the poisonous plant. They are very dangerous to touch, even to eat. It can harm ourselves. So they are pong, and then periwinkles, and then alamanda, and then mimosa. All of them are very dangerous for us because they look so beautiful, attractive, and but they have a very something bad. There is something dangerous and dreadful. So this pong is the kind of this tropical, poisonous tropical tree. They have a poison in their body, especially from their fruits. You may not eat the fruits; it is not edible. So if you eat it, so you can get the poison. And also the others like periwinkles, and then like mimosa. Mimosa is also a fun, and it is a unique and a special plant, but they are poisonous plant. Sorry. Children didn't realize that they are poisonous because this mimosa is very cute. I think it's very cute because when I was kid, so I like to play with this plant. So this is
it the real name?
Yes, mimosa is the name in English. In
Pong
bahasa,
Pong.
yes, the name in bahasa is mimosa, and then bahasa is yang bukan tuh bunga apa ya, yang putri malu, biasanya putri malu.
Like Pong Pong.
Yes.
Alamanda.
Periwinkle.
The real name.
No, it's not the real name. I mean, this was it's not the real name. But this mimosa in bahasa is putri malu. Most time say this putri malu. This is also the plant that is very dangerous to take the part of their body because it's poisonous, especially from the seed. It contains the poison, so when the kid touch it, they have to be careful, and it can makes them get the poison. So all of them are the kinds of the poisonous plant. Even they look very attractive and they look beautiful, but we have to be careful to them, especially some things like strange plants that we never see it before. So we have to be careful and we have to look for the informations about the plants. We can ask adult or applicate or website, something that can help us, or AI to help us to know the information more about these plants.
Okay, so where can mimosa plants usually grow?
Why?
Where can it grow usually?
This mimosa can grow, especially in the tropical countries, right? So they need the water more, so they can live freely in our land, especially in the tropical country.
Mimosa, yeah.
Yes. When we touch its leaves, they will close. It's very sensitive too. It's very sensitive plant too.
So how this plant can, how to say that? How this plant can protect itself, maybe from danger or from
Yes,
anything.
this because that's the way how they protect. I say that's very unique because we can see, if we see it clearly, they can protect themselves by closing their lips when we touch it. So when they look at, when they notice that there is strangers like insect or us as people touch their body and touch their lips, so the lips will close. That's the way they protect themselves.
So can this plant move?
Can
Can this plant move?
can this plant move? Move, you mean from one place to the other place?
Not like animals, like um, yeah, maybe like
Yeah, they are living this and they will grow. They live
maybe
inside
like
the.
like response only, yeah.
Yeah, they just respond as strangers close to their part of their body, especially their lips. So they will protect themselves by closing their lips.
Does the book show that the part of the plant that reacts to the touch?
Uh, The books didn't talk about this. This book only talk about or emphasize or highlight about the poisonous plant. What are the kinds of the poisonous plant and why do why are they called poisonous plant? What is the part of the body that is caused that can be dangerous for us or that is poison?
Poison. This poisonous.
Yes, this is from
Because
seeds. Their seeds contain poison, so they are not edible.
yeah, boy. Yeah, because I'm curious. Thai people eat this.
No, I think
Yes.
when we are still kid, I used to play with this plant. I always touch it, and after that, after few second or few second, they will be woke up again by spreading their lips, and then we touch their lips again. They will close it back or close their lips back again.
Hi. All right. So we go to vocabulary. WMS. Great building. English.
Great building is large and very important structures. Great buildings are the building that is very large and very important, and they will looks very important, and they will be like a skyscraper building, and it's very nice to see a very good building in our country. It's like, yeah, many hotels with great buildings and many more.
Capital city.
Capital city is the main city of a country. Capital city is the main city of a country where the government works there and the government and the state will work there. So, for example, like Indonesia is Jakarta, like this. So many people will work there, and governments will also work in the city.
Pattern. Computer.
Pattern is design repeated in a regular way. So pattern is the design that is used in FMS logo. This where the pattern will show the pattern will show the design or designs, like when we want to create a square or triangle or hexagon. So the pattern will, if the pattern is correct, so the input will be correct like this. So for example, if the patterns like maybe you make it repeat 6, so repeat 6 or repeat 3, so it will show that like the pattern will be like the hexagon or triangle or square or many one.
Label. Label.
Or label, still computer. Label is the command write text on the screen. So label is the when used with the FS logo, this label will help you to understand how to use FS logo. So for example, like when you want to create the for example, like one of the polygon, for example the hexagon. So the label letter is the hexagon, like this.
Periwinkle.
Periwinkle is the small periwinkle is small flowering plant with colorful petals. So this periwinkle is the poisonous plant too. They have a very beautiful petals, colorful petals, but they looks very beautiful, but it also dangerous to touch.
Alamanda. Alamanda.
Alamanda is a poisonous plant. Okay, alamanda is a bright yellow. Alamanda is a bright yellow flower plant. This is also the poisonous plant, and they have a very colorful petals. The color is yellow, and it is very dangerous too if you touch. But sometimes people use it for the party, for the decorations of the decorations and many more.
Okay, I think that's all the information for today, Miss. Thank you.
You're welcome.